You know, we get so bogged down in all the details of being a Medicare insurance specialist that some of the easiest stuff gets overlooked, such as client saying, hey, I don't want to wait on hold forever to talk to Social Security to then get a callback appointment for a month later to get enrolled. I want to enroll online at mysocialsecurity.gov for Medicare. Go do it. You should be able to do it. Well, they say I couldn't do it. It wouldn't do it. I tried it on a PC. I tried it on a tablet. I did autofill. I did all these. It would not let me progress past the address bar. And this is a common thing that we don't talk about because we're always busy talking about more complicated things. On their website, if you put, I live at 101 East Main Street, and I put E period, the website doesn't like the period. Take the period out. Your enrollment will go through. You're welcome. Tell people that. It'll save you a lot of time. Because what they do is they try, they can't figure out why this won't go through. So then they call Social Security, which you're going to wait on hold at least 40 minutes. And then they're going to give you an appointment probably a month later where they will do a phone enrollment. So you're like, I don't want to wait all this time. Take the period out. Have a great week. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.